Today we're going to prepare beans in a Sicilian style. We need 200 grams of beans, tomato, onion, chili flake, salt and frying oil. Once we take out the head, because these beans are big, we cut in half. After cut in half, we drop in salty boiling water and we keep for few minutes. Now we're going to prepare the sauce. We cut the onion. We start fry the onion. We cut the tomato in small pieces. Once the onion start a little bit fry, we add a pinch of salt and we add the fresh tomato cut in pieces. Also we add a pinch of chili flake. You add as much chili flake you like with your taste. Once the water boil, we add salt, drop the beans. Once drop the beans, the water stop boiling. Now we need to wait until the water start boiling again, and once boiling, to have this right softness, we wait a few minutes before take out from water. After a few minutes, depending on how crunchy you like, you take out the beans from water and we drop in tomato. After dropping the beans in the tomato, they are ready to eat. Enjoy your beans!